Are you looking for an effortless way to upgrade your home's curb appeal all year round? Today, we are counting down the best permanent outdoor lights that will completely transform your house for every holiday and season. We have researched and selected the top 5 models that combine durability, smart app controls, and incredible color customization. All of the product links are in the description below, so let us get started with the video. Taking the first spot is the LANDRHYTHM outdoor lights. These permanent outdoor light fixtures offer a versatile and durable solution for illuminating your eaves, gardens, and special events. Designed to withstand harsh weather conditions ranging from -4 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, these lights feature an Ingress Protection 67 waterproof rating that guarantees reliable performance during heavy rain and extreme winter weather. The package comes equipped with a 100-foot light emitting diode string, an 8.8-foot extension cord, an alternating current adapter, a controller, a remote control, screws, clips, and a user manual. You can customize your illumination through 73 scene modes or design your own lighting effects using the 2Yes Smart application. These lights also support voice commands through Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, making operation completely hands-free. Additionally, the built-in microphone allows the lights to synchronize with your favorite music beats, creating a dynamic, atmospheric display for holiday celebrations such as Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and New Year. The physical installation process is straightforward and reliable, offering self-adhesive backing combined with screw-in fixing options to prevent the wiring from sagging or falling over time. Just remember that you must not directly connect multiple light strips in series to extend the total length, as doing so can cause a short circuit. With intelligent timer settings and full-spectrum red, green, blue, plus independent control color variations, this setup provides high-end permanent lighting. Taking the second spot is the Ecoeve permanent outdoor lights. These modern permanent outdoor light fixtures offer a stylish and secure way to illuminate your home throughout every season of the year. Designed with an Ingress Protection 67 waterproof rating, this system withstands extreme weather conditions from intense heat to heavy snowstorms with complete safety certification. The package includes a 50-foot light-emitting diode string, an adapter, a remote control, a user manual, a screwdriver, and a screw pack for quick and secure mounting along your house eaves, patio, or garden. Controlling your lighting environment is made effortless through Bluetooth smart connectivity on your smartphone, featuring a unique no-login guest mode that preserves your personal privacy by eliminating mandatory account creation. You can access 16 million colors and adjust brightness levels while choosing from over 50 dynamic effect options, including fade, jump, flash, and strobe patterns. The specialized wide-angle lens design provides 30% larger illumination coverage compared to standard market lights, delivering dramatic visual depth across your architecture. Integrated custom timer settings allow you to automate daily on and off schedules, which helps save electrical energy and improves residential security while you're away. Whether you're preparing for Christmas, Thanksgiving, New Year, or simple everyday ambiance, these versatile lights offer endless custom options. Next on our list is the AHAWILL Permanent Outdoor RGB Lights. These versatile acrylonitrile butadiene styrene permanent fixtures offer an exceptional illumination experience designed to enhance any home architecture across all 4 seasons. Spanning a total length of 100 feet, this lighting kit features an Ingress Protection 67 waterproof rating that ensures continuous outdoor operation regardless of rain, wind, or snow. The physical setup is simplified through pre-applied adhesive tape combined with mounting screws, complemented by 80-centimeter front and 15-centimeter rear connectors for a completely hassle-free installation process along your eaves. Through the dedicated Smart application, you can easily customize your outdoor atmosphere using 16 million color choices, adjustable 0 to 100% brightness control, and 44 dynamic lighting modes ranging from solid red, yellow, blue, green, and purple to intricate twinkling displays. The integrated microphone enables music synchronization functionality, allowing the lights to rhythmically flash and change colors in time with your audio for lively gatherings, anniversaries, birthdays, Halloween, and Christmas celebrations. Smart scheduling features let you configure custom automated timers and preset scene modes for hands-free management every day. With durable construction and vibrant red, green, blue customization, these lights represent a reliable permanent lighting solution for your entire property. At number 4, the MUCCCUTE Permanent Outdoor Lights. These color-changing permanent light fixtures provide an energy-efficient and vibrant solution for illuminating your residential or commercial outdoor spaces throughout the entire year. Engineered for all weather conditions, the light string features an Ingress Protection 67 waterproof light emitting diode bulbs that endure rain, snow, and summer heat, though users should ensure the direct current power adapter remains protected from water exposure. Operating via a dedicated mobile application or the included physical remote control, this system allows you to choose from 16 million full-string colors, configure automated timers, and select preset scene settings for effortless control. Built-in sound activation syncs the light pulses with your favorite music tracks, creating an engaging atmosphere for pool parties, campfires, birthdays, and major holiday events like Christmas, Thanksgiving, Independence Day, and New Year. Installation is simplified through pre-applied adhesive backing on each bulb, alongside a complete mounting accessory package to secure the wiring permanently along your eaves. Designed with advanced optic technology, these high-output lights provide broader coverage with fewer total bulbs, significantly reducing energy consumption and lowering electric bills compared to traditional setups. The 5th product on our list is the olivilily Permanent Outdoor Lights. These modern corded electric fixtures showcase an advanced triple light emitting diode system, combining full red, green, blue spectrum control with dedicated warm white and cool white temperature adjustments from 2200 Kelvin to 6000 Kelvin. Designed exclusively for exterior environments, these lights empower you to personalize your landscape architecture using 16 million vibrant colors, alongside variable saturation settings through the Smart Life application over Wi-Fi networks. The smart system integrates seamlessly with Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free voice operations, and it also includes a radio frequency 433 MHz wireless remote control, though users must supply 2 AAA batteries separately for remote functionality. Installation requires no complex wiring and follows a straightforward process where you peel and stick each light unit using pre-applied 3M adhesive pads for 3 seconds before securing the run permanently with screw clips. Unlike standard setups, both the central controller unit and the individual light modules feature full waterproof engineering, ensuring resilient performance during torrential rainstorms and thick winter snowfall. Perfect for enhancing gardens, patios, eaves, and seasonal holiday decorations for Christmas and Halloween, these dimmable permanent lights deliver consistent brilliance, durable all-weather defense, and comprehensive custom smart customization to elevate your residential curb appeal all year round.